Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a custom 404 page in Divi. But before we start, let me discuss what a 404 page is and why it is important. Technically speaking, a 404 is the error response from a server when you try to access a non-existing page or sometimes a misspelled web page address. Creating custom 404 page is normal today. Some put graphics on them, some just use a custom font to make it look nice just in case a visitor lands on that page. My approach to that is almost similar to the other websites, where I add an image, a button to go back to the home page, and social media links at the bottom. That way, your potential clients have different options for reaching you. Let's begin by navigating to Divi, then choosing the theme builder on your WordPress dashboard. Add a new template and scroll to the bottom part of the template settings, then select 404 page, then click Create Template. You can delete the global header and footer depending on what design you have. I will delete both for now and click the eye icon on the right side of both the custom header and footer. That way, they will be hidden on the front end. Then, click on Add Custom Body, and choose Build Custom Body. Next, add a new image module and choose the image that you want to use. And for responsive purposes, under sizing, make the width 100% and set the maximum width at least 300 pixels. Then add a button module and change the text to Back to Home, then expand the links section and insert the URL link, or you can use the dynamic content, then set the target window. Next, on the Design tab, open the Alignment and Center align the button. Next, open the Button section and enable the use of custom styles for button. Once you are done editing the button, add a social media follow module and add all those social media sites that you have. To customize the icons, I have a separate tutorial for those. You can find the link in the description below. Next, once you are done designing the page, click Save and exit the Visual Builder. Now you can test your page. Please see my demo link in the description below. That's it. A simple way of adding a custom 404 page in Divi. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.